Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you guys?
I'm fine. What are you doing these days? Do you study or work?
I'm sort of in the middle of stuff these days, so
Hmm.
yeah, I can't give a quite direct answer to that.
Okay. Okay. We have another friend. Hi, strange. Hi, stranger.
Hi, good evening.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. What about you?
Hmm. Yeah, I'm doing great. And so, what are you doing these days? Do you study or work?
I am not a student, I'm not a working person, I'm unemployed.
Hmm.
Yep. What about you? What about you? Can you hear me?
Sir, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
You're audible.
Okay, I'm
Yeah,
asking.
she's asking question to you.
Yeah, are you a student or are you working?
I think he might have a network issue, stranger.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sometimes your
He's
voice is breaking.
actually,
yeah, maybe.
uh,
Then you tell.
stranger. He's actually,
Mm-hmm.
he's working actually.
Yeah,
Okay.
I
He's
work in
working.
a tea
He's not a
company.
student.
I work in a tea company.
Sorry, which company?
Tea, drinking tea, black tea.
Okay. Then are you working in your country or different country?
I work in Sri Lanka.
Okay, how long have you been working in there?
I work in there 2 years like that.
Okay, then how is it? I think you tell me what's your qualification?
I have become degree.
Become degree. Okay, which country are you
Yeah,
from?
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Okay, are you working in your country, right?
Yeah,
Okay, then how long have you been using this platform, Hello Talk?
I'm practicing here 2 years like that.
2 years. Okay.
Yeah,
Then are you a language learner or do you want to interact with stranger like your unknown people?
I want to learn language.
Okay, which language do you want to learn?
I want to learn English. I like to speak with the people around the world. I want to start deep conversation with the people.
Wow. Then since when did you start your learning journey?
Yeah, before 2 years ago like that, I remember.
Okay, do you talk with anyone regularly in English at your office or outside of office?
Actually, inside of office, I haven't time to speak, but I really like to talk here because I want to improve my level here because I can talk with different kinds of people here.
Okay, how did you evaluate your level? Which level you are in English?
Actually, I don't know. I am reading English books. I am watching podcasts. I am talking to the people. I always like to start conversation with the people. I don't know about my level. I haven't any idea about that.
Okay, what's your native language?
Sinhala.
Sinhala. Okay, then little bit introduce yourself in your native language. I want to listen.
Okay, tell me something. I will translate it.
Oh, what's your name?
ඔයාගේ නම මොකක්ද?
Oh, so tough language. Then do you talk with anyone in your native language? But if you come to Hello Talk, then you interact with and you talk with in English with the language learner, right?
Yeah, I want to speak English only because Alma also from Sri Lanka. We know how to speak Sinhala, but we
Mm-hmm.
always speak English only here.
Okay. Then apart from your country, have you visited different country?
Still, I didn't visit overseas countries, but I like to visit.
Okay, which country do you want to go if you get chance?
I want to go to Korea, Japan, China, Dubai, India.
Okay, but which purpose do you want to go there? For visiting purpose, or do you want to establish your business, or what do you want to know their culture, their food, or everything? What's your motto to visit different country?
I want to visit there.
Yeah, you want to visit, it's welcome, but what's your purpose to visit different country? Do you want to explore their culture, their food, or do you want to traveling in a different atmosphere? You want to experience about atmosphere, or what's your motto about visiting?
Yeah, I really want to travel for the different places, and I want to see beautiful locations. I want to capturing photographs. I like to do adventure games. I like to eat delicious food like that.
Okay, then have you visited whole Sri Lanka?
No, still I didn't visit everywhere. I travel only a few places, but there are so many places still I didn't visit. I want to travel soon.
Okay, oh, which place most popular in your country? Which place?
Lion Rock is really famous, and we have famous beach Kadua,
Mm-hmm.
and so many adventure games placed there, and water rafting place, and that's a really interesting.
Okay, then oh, what's your favorite food? Which type of food do you like?
I like to eat spicy food actually.
Mm-hmm. Okay, are you
That's a
vegetarian,
really
non-vegetarian?
amazing.
Hmm?
Oh, I'm non-vegetable.
Okay, you are a non-vegetarian. Then you don't like non-veg food. You like veg food, right?
Yeah, that's right. Alma, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. She has a long
Okay.
conversation with you.
Hi.
Let her
Yeah,
continue.
stranger. Yeah, stranger.
Yeah, go ahead.
You can ask question from Dalma also.
Okay,
No,
definitely,
no. She is
definitely.
comfortable.
No, no,
She is very comfortable to talk to you, man. Let her talk.
no, I want to talk with
Yeah,
you
Stay.
also, Alma. I think
Acha. But you know,
he
stranger,
should. Mm-hmm.
I have a, I
Okay,
have a, sorry, echo is there.
okay, tell
I
me.
have a question on you.
Okay, tell me.
I never ask anyone, but this time,
Mm-hmm.
I initiate to ask you. I don't know whether you will take me right or wrong, but my question is: I sense that you are from Sri Lanka. Is that true?
Okay, you guess I am also from Sri Lanka. Is it? Is it your query?
Exactly.
No,
Exactly.
no, 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 no. I am not from Sri Lanka. I am from India. You see my
Which?
profile. I am from India.
No. We actually profile.
Mm-hmm.
No, that's fine. I believe that, but in profile, we can the information what we input.
Mm-hmm.
This will reflect, right? So just I'm asking that. If you're really from India, I believe that. Okay, which part of India?
I am from east part of India.
I'm sorry to ask you. East mean Telangana, Andhra. No,
No,
how would be like in
my
area?
state name is Odisha. Have you heard about it?
Oh,
Odisha.
yeah. Orissa became Odisha, isn't it?
Right, you are absolutely right.
Exactly.
2011,
Okay.
we had to write Orissa in English. After
Yeah.
and we
Okay.
wrote in Odisha in our mother tongue, but right now after 2011 we write English in our mother tongue and any languages only Odisha.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, actually, you are what I feel that you are like very curiosity to know about others' culture and language
Right.
and etc. etc. I really appreciate that.
Thank you. Then you tell,
It's my pleasure.
means are you a student or are you employee?
Uh, Frankly telling, I'm workaholic. And what about you?
Workaholic means you are working, right?
Workaholic mean I am unemployed. I lost my job. And
Oh,
what about yourself?
okay. You lost your job means which department have you worked?
I worked in a retail field, retails.
Retails, is it?
Yeah, yeah, retails, sales department, and I am out of country and working in Gulf, and recently I lost my job. And how about your status? I mean, you have been completed your studies, isn't it?
Yeah, I have completed my graduation.
Yeah.
And what about you?
Okay. And don't you find out any job?
No, do you have any job? Are you a job provider?
Uh, yeah. Why not?
Oh, really?
I mean to say that you can register in LinkedIn and Naukri.com, right? And you will definitely will get a notification any jobs match for your field.
Right, you are
Have you
absolutely
registered
right.
in LinkedIn?
No,
Yeah.
no,
Have you registered in LinkedIn and Naukri.com?
no. I haven't done this kind of work, but I heard about it. People they get a job easily in LinkedIn, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
they do also that work, but I never try to get that kind of work. And okay,
Okay.
why did you leave that job? Tell me, because you are working in Gulf country. Which country? Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia. Which country?
It's calling Qatar.
Qatar. Okay, why did you leave that job?
I didn't left my job. I lost my job.
Okay, you lost your job. Then which purpose? You don't have interest, or they means lay out you?
No,
Mm-hmm.
I have been terminated by my company.
Okay. Then I think did you some any region of your company, right?
Come again?
Your company lay out you, then any kind of struggle or unexpected situation your company face. That's why your company lay out every employee. Is it?
You are absolutely right.
Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
let me talk to. We have another friend. Give me 1 minute. Hi Mitu, how are you?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So, what are you doing these days? Do you study or work?
No, I work, yeah.
Which kind of industry you are working?
Real estate.
Wow, real estate. It's a new
Yeah.
industry. So,
Yeah.
which area you are working?
No, I work in real estate, but I work in HR. I work in the real estate industry, but I work as HR.
HR. Okay, it means human resource management.
Yeah.
Oh, which kind of duty you have to do?
So I handle from onboarding to offboarding, full employee cycle. Yeah.
Okay, it means you have to train them or you have to talk to them.
Train is part of it, and then there's onboarding, recruitment, performance management. Yeah, so many aspects in HR. Yeah.
Wow, what a nice job. So, how do you train them? So, which kind of things do you have to give some goals for them?
Yeah, that is part of the performance management. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
like especially for people who is in sales, they work on commission basis, so we have to give them a sales target. So if they achieve the target, we give them a commission, and they are not salaried. So yeah, likewise we have like for each department.
Wow, that's amazing. Are you live in Sri Lanka or Dubai?
I live in Dubai.
Dubai,
I think
okay.
we spoke
Dubai.
before, don't you remember?
Yeah. I remember you, but I think last few days I didn't see you. That's why I forget everything.
Yeah. You're correct. Yeah, I didn't come. I haven't had a chance actually. I've been busy.
Yeah. Real estate is a good business in Dubai because one of my friend who traveled to Dubai and he showed me so many books. So many people can invest money in real estate in Dubai, and after
Yes.
they complete it, that they can sell it for the another person, right?
You're absolutely correct. Yeah, this is one of the like main industry now. It has become one of the main industry in Dubai.
Right.
Yeah.
Now your company also give chance to invest money for the other people.
No, our company doesn't do it. Don't do it for now. Yeah. No.
Okay. So you are selling apartment for the customers.
Yeah, we have apartments, buildings. Yeah. And we provide the consultancy service as well. So we have villas and apartment. We do the valuation part, and we have so many Sri Lankan working with us. Yeah, especially in the quantity service, right? Yeah, in
QS. It's called QS.
QS, exactly. Yeah. In QS. I'm actually very new to real estate industry. It's just been 3 weeks since I started, so I'm still getting. It's very difficult when compared to other industry.
Actually, real estate industry is a very huge industry, and you can go good journey if you can work harder. Because in Dubai is a very good country for the real estate. So many people earn lots of money from the real estate.
Yeah, true. And it's very different. Like when it's come to HR, also it's really different from other industries. There's a lot of going on.
Yeah, that's right. Alma, do you want to talk to me too?
Hi, Alma.
Hi, Mithu. It's interesting actually. And nowadays, I also started real estate. It's I mean to say, Mithu, it's not like a registered one. I used to deal with a first party, and I will rent for third party. So I'm going to be a second party, and I will rent for third party.
Okay. Are you based in Dubai or?
No, Qatar. I'm living in Qatar.
Okay. So like real estate, like your side business?
No, actually, frankly telling, I lost my job recently, so I started real estate. Yes, I started, like a small business. Yeah, and really, it's I really love it. The real estate. It's a good business and giving good number of profit and a margin, and but it's actually with full of challenges. We'll have to face both sides. The consequences will be both. Good and bad. So we'll have to experience.
And now it's a lot of competition, right?
Exactly. There is wherever look, everywhere new buildings, they are constructing new building, but nobody is there. It's been like you're laying like more than 5 years, 10 years. There's no people, only ghosts, living over there. As he mentioned, Zoro, as Zoro mentioned, there actually it's a good business and it's giving like a good number of profits, but still the competition
it's very high.
is there, especially in Dubai, that